The overall goal of this procedure is to quantitate the in vitro ATPase activity of purified proteins for functional characterization.
This method can be used to characterize new putative ATPases, evaluate the effect of potential activators or inhibitors, and to determine the contribution of particular domains or residues to ATPase activity. The main advantage of this technique is that it is a simple, sensitive method for measuring in vitro ATPase activity and can be easily optimized.
Prepare stocks of all the necessary reagents for incubation with purified protein as instructed in the text protocol. Premix 100 millimolar magnesium chloride and 100 millimolar ATP at a 1:1 ratio just before setting up the ATP hydrolysis reaction. Prepare and label 1.5 milliliter tubes for collecting samples at regular intervals throughout the reaction. Prepare tubes to collect samples at time 0, as well as at times of 15, 30, 45, and 60 minutes. Add 245 microliters of 1x-HNG buffer to each tube to dilute the samples collected from the ATP hydrolysis reactions at a dilution of 1:50. Next, prepare a bath of dry ice and ethanol for quickly freezing samples to stop the reaction. In a rubber ice bucket or other safe container, add several pieces of dry ice and carefully pour enough 70 to 100% ethanol to cover the dry ice. Dilute the purified protein in 1x-HNG buffer and keep it on ice. Set up the ATP hydrolysis reactions in the prepared 0.5 milliliter tubes by adding a pre-calculated volume of water to reach a final reaction volume of 30 microliters.